So I've got here a TV and furniture safety strap for baby proofing your TV and your furniture. So it securely fastens your TV and furniture, making it baby proof, so they won't tip the furniture on them or the TV. Very important. It's very easy to install, and it has like some reinforced metal pieces which will make them extra safe, so you have peace of mind that they will hold the TV and the furniture. Let's unbox it, check it out, and install it as well. Just open this and you have everything you need right here. Yeah, as you can see, some pretty big bolts, some pretty big screws. This is for the wall. So we actually have two of these. And then we have the strap with this to secure it on the back of the furniture. And these are the metal pieces. And you can tighten them as much as you need. So as you can see, quite long and adjustable. And then here we have the manual as well. And as you can see, really easy to install. And you actually have two methods to install it. As you can see here, safety belt, step-by-step guide. You can attach the TV on the actual furniture. You can use these screws, and then you follow this to install it. And then you actually have method 2, which is wall installation. This is when you take this out, and then you have this, you put the screws in, and then you use this very big screws that go in the wall, so you need to make a hole in the wall. I'll show you the first one, and yeah, let's go and install it. So first of all, we need to check the screws in these bags to find out which one goes in these holes. So this is what you get in the bag, and this is for the other type of mounting, where you mount it on the wall. And this is like quite a lot of TV screws that you get to check with your TV, so it should fit your TV. And I've tried mine. These are mine for those holes. So now that we found the screws, we just need to add these two straps right here, and I'll use the bigger holes. So before you add the screw on the TV, it's best you put one of these as well in between, if you have space for the screw as well, so you can protect a bit your TV, so it's not like straight on the metal, it's going to be on the plastic. So just like that, and then screw it tight here. There we go. Then the other one, same thing, put the plastic, then go here, and that's finished. So now we just need to add this down here, and then adjust these straps so it stays tight, connected to the desk. So now we just need to add this on the desk, and as you can see, my desk has this down. Usually desks have like this, just this on top, and then you can just mount it here, but mine doesn't have that, so you can adapt it and you can mount it right here. And you need to make sure it's like about the middle of the two straps, so it's gonna pull, the weight is gonna be like evenly distributed. So you just put it in and then screw it. Make sure it's nice and tight. So after this is secured down here, you can adjust the straps, so you can pull from here, from up top, you can pull it, so this goes a bit down. Same on the other side, goes down until this is like tighter, and then you can pull on the other one, pull up just like that, so it goes up. And then if you do it evenly, you won't have one longer, but I didn't do it evenly. So if you do it evenly, you'll have both the same size about. So make sure now it's tight here and safe and secure, as tight as possible. That's about it. Then you can see, you can feel The TV is like strapped here. And now let's test it a bit. So as you saw, I have the straps in the back. Now I can try to pull it, and I can't really. It's really hard to pull it. I'm pulling the whole desk. So the whole desk is coming this way. So it's strapped to the desk. So your kids are going to be very safe because you can't pull this one down. And you can actually strap it to the wall, like I said as well. So you are very sure and secure with that strap. Now I'll take the strap off and you can see without the strap how it feels. There we go. This is no strap. So as you can see, nothing is holding this TV from going down. And as you saw with the straps, it's very secure to the desk. It's not going to go down.